In this episode, the series profiles Nova Reed, a sound sculptor who translates emotions into tactile musical textures. We trace how a fleeting childhood lullaby sparked her quest to sculpt sound with touch, clay, and breath. Nova shares conversations with her partner and mentor, revealing daily routines, breakthroughs, and the stubborn challenges of sensing without conventional ears. The piece then follows a week of gigs where audiences feel her textures before she explains the science behind her perception. By the end, viewers glimpse how this strange skill reshapes relationships, work, and hope, leaving them inspired to notice unseen details.